I challenge you that if you watch this video till the end and lock yourself in a room for 48 hours to take action, you will have a profitable product ready to sell by the end of it. First up, the Glowup guide. Let's talk about what this actually is. It's a mini ebook or a PDF, 3 to 10 pages, made on Canva or Google Docs. You don't need to be a designer or a writer for this. You need one thing, a transformation you had that others want. Price point? Anywhere from $9 to $27. Let me give you a few examples so you can visualize it. How I grew my Instagram from 0 to 1000 followers in 30 days. The exact skincare routine that cleared my acne for good. How I organized my weekly schedule and my meal plan based on my budget. Or it could be a morning routine that helped you overcome burnout. A 3-step system you use to clear your doubt. Here's what I need you to remember. This doesn't need to be a 100-page ebook. Most people don't even finish long PDFs. People want shortcuts. They want your cheat codes. So this is your Glowup packaged. That's it. If you already know what you've improved in your own life, write that down. That's your first product idea right there. Next we have the done for you templates. These are selling like crazy right now. Why? Because people want to save time. They don't want to start from scratch. They want to plug in and go. Now you're probably wondering, what does this look like? It could be as simple as a Notion content calendar for creators, a monthly budget tracker in Google Sheets, a Canva Instagram carousel template, a client onboarding questionnaire in Google Docs. You can price it anywhere between $12 to $37 or $40. Here's the key. Templates are timeless and scalable. You build them once and they can sell for years. For example, let's say you've been managing your content using a simple Notion board that keeps you organized and your friends have said, I wish I was this organized. That's a product right there. Or maybe you created a Google Sheet to track your expenses and it helped you save an extra $1,000 a month. That's a product. Your systems can become someone else's shortcut. Comment below what's the one tool you use daily that you could turn into a plug and play template. Now let's talk about the Mini Toolkit. Think of this as a swipe file, a resource bank, or a plug and play system that someone can copy, paste, and use immediately. Made with Canva Docs or Google Docs or Notion. Price point is simple as $17 to $49. And if you've already started thinking, what can I package as this bundle? Let me give you a few more examples of things that are going viral right now. 50 Reels hooks for small creators. 30 email subject lines for online sellers. The exact DM templates I use to pitch brands. Or a 10-day journaling prompt for anxiety. This product is powerful because it saves people the thinking. People get stuck not because they don't want to do the work, but because they don't know where to get started. Your toolkit gives them a clear starting point. For example, when I first started selling digital products, I created a swipe file of email subject lines that got me the highest open rates. And people loved it because it took the guesswork away from their own launches. Your framework can be someone else's fast lane. If you have ever created a list of ideas, hooks, or scripts that made your life easier, you already have a mini toolkit ready to package. Hear me out. People aren't paying for you. They're paying for speed, for simplicity, for a shortcut. They're paying for something that says, here, this will save you 6 months of trial and error. And here's the best part. You only need one person who says, this solves a problem I have. That's your first sale. And if you want to build your first digital product in the next 48 hours, I've made a free digital product checklist so that you can get started in 48 hours following it step by step. You can grab it from the link in the description. So let's recap. These are the 3 simple digital products that you can start selling in the next 48 hours. The Glowup guide, where you share your own shortcuts. The done for you template, where you sell your systems. And the Mini Toolkit, where you package your frameworks. All of this can be made in Canva, Google Docs, Notion, or Google Sheets in a weekend. And all of these can start selling in the next 48 hours if you stop overthinking and just start. Here's what I want you to do. Pick one idea, lock yourself in for 48 hours, create it, post it on your Instagram or your stories, ask for feedback, sell it, and keep improvising along the way. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for a sign. This video is your sign. If you're taking this 48-hour challenge, drop I'm in the comments and I will personally reply to support you. And if you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss next week's strategy.